Hey, y'all, Liz here. So we have all heard the old adages, you know, work on your business, not in your business. Make sure you're working on the right thing at the right time. Make sure that you are scaling your business, not just growing your business. We've heard all of these things, but how do you put them into practice? And are you putting them into practice? What I find a lot of times is people are just really busy, 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 but not really working on the things that matter most. Right now, in this day, what you need to be working on is retention. You know how hard it is to come by leads these days. They're more expensive. They're just thinner, right? And they're not quite as strong as they used to be. Great. We got to figure out how to get more leads, stronger leads, etc. But in the meantime, we have got to be holding on to the clients that we already have. If you're not holding on to the clients that you currently have and making sure that they become long-term clients that are staying for a very, very long time and increasing that lifetime value, you're going to continue struggling. You're going to stay in that cycle. Always up, down, up, down, up, down. Doesn't have to be that way. Join us in Houston, live or live stream, September 26th and 27th. Did I say Houston? I think I did. Don't gamble on getting new leads, right? Right now, it is a little bit of a gamble. Instead, invest in the retention of your current clients. All right. Hope to see you soon. Bye, y'all.